Look at this one. Guess we're going to read Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. It's written by Alice, how would I say that? Shreddle? Illustrated by Jill McElmuley? I don't know. Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Look at that, buddy. Hey. Little blue truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? Zoom! Roared the truck. Down the avenue the city is fast, said Little Blue. Shove on, shorty, yelled a double-decker bus with big red letters. Rides are us. A grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, bud. I'm first. You're last. Whee! Went a siren. Coming through. Busy police car. Things to do. Swish, swash, swoosh. Went a big street sweeper. Hollering, hey, better move, little beeper. Look at that. Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. I've got his honor, the mayor inside. I'm important, move aside. Oop, missed the road. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Up roared a taxi. Screech! Went the brakes. Stop! Yelled Blue. For goodness sake. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough and his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? Everyone watching gave a shout when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out. His honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck, this good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do. So single file, folks, follow Blue. Trucks and buses got in line, but vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom! Went the drums, and the trumpet played. They rolled along the avenue and everyone waved to Little Blue. Look, it says Blue's cool. They clapped their hands and yelled hooray for the little blue truck who led the way. Look, and Blue's on his way home. Thanks for watching.